Hey guys, what's up? It's me, D-Bears Cards. Today we're opening up more Prizm basketball. And I know, 2 uploads in 2 days. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, we did so well in the last video. It's our new record for reviews. I figured I might as well open another. And this time, I'm adding this in it too. Because, why not? And also, I added a light. A little lamp to my side. So, let me know if you like the extra light or if you just want it to be like it was in last video or my other videos. So yeah, let's just get into it. I think we'll open this first because just get out the way. Put that over there for now. It's a hanger pack. You can get good things in this, so I hope we get a good thing in this. I see a thick card in here. That's a good sign, I think. Okay, there we go. I got it open, and our first card is Luka Garza. I don't think he's even on the Pistons anymore. Wilt Chamberlain. Nemias Queta. Dwayne Wade. I got a Trae Young. Derrick Rose. Precious Achua. When is our... Here we got 3 cards. Joe Harris. Pascal Siakam. Hold off with the thick one. Emergent Jonathan Kuminga. Not bad. Instant Impact Josh Giddey. Not bad. Joel Embiid. Got a green Aaron Wiggins. It's okay. Najee Marshall. Alright. It's hollow. Got a Dirk Nowitzki. Look at that. 2 Dallas Maverick Legends. And TJ Warren. And Derek Favors. No rookie cracked ice. That's too bad. But hopefully this is really good. Hoping it's an autograph. But probably a jersey card. Which isn't bad, but you know, MML. I don't know. Mike Miller. Okay, that's a jersey card. Looks cool. I'll take it. I'll go in the highlights. So yeah. Pretty cool. Hanger back pack is not bad. But we have this too. So let me get this open real quick. And yeah. Not a bad day today. Excuse me. Yeah, thank you guys for the love and support. We gained 3 subscribers. Yes, 3 subscribers from our last video. That's gotta be a record, I think. It's like, wow. You guys are really cool. And you guys are awesome. So yeah, thank you just for supporting the vids. Yeah, like last time, 6 packs. Put those with those. Yeah, I like this lighting. I think it's a little more pizzazz to the video. So, but yeah, let me know if you want the lighting or what it was before. Because I am open for suggestions. Right. David Johnson is our first card, and look at that. There's the second one. I'm really hoping it's a rookie. We'll hold off. Josh Christopher is an impact. Gary Trent Jr., Daniel Theis, Tim Duncan, he's cool. I like Tim Duncan. Michael Porter Jr., Paul George, and Austin Reeves. Yeah, he's not bad. All right. Not a rookie. All right. Joel Embiid. Holy crap, look at the center of that, though. And that's not good. But hey, I'll take it. Probably our best card today. I mean, Mike Miller's decent, but Joel Embiid is Joel Embiid. So let's go into our second pack. Yeah. I'm glad I'm back uploading videos on YouTube again. Yeah, Alperen Şengün. Ben Wallace, man, he's a beast. Dominance, Jimmy Butler. Steph Curry. Pink. Mo Bamba. What happened to Mo Bamba? Malik Beasley. Wang ZZ. Cool. Buddy Hield. And what's this? Bogdan Bogdanovic. Awesome. Well, after this pack, we're basically halfway through. So far, it's decent. I say that Joel Embiid is definitely a good card. Excuse me, I had to burp again. Jalen Johnson, Fred VanVleet, a emergent Trey Murphy III. He had like 27 points in a summer league game. That's not bad. Keldon Johnson, Hassan Whiteside, Julius Randle. Man, he went from 6th man of the year to the player, I guess. Got Saban Lee, Isaiah Stewart, and silver on the Cavaliers. Ooh, that would be something. Oh, Cedi Osman. I mean, I like Cedi. He's Chetty. I'm probably saying it wrong. Who cares? Well, you guys, but hey, not bad. I'll take it. I was really hoping that was Evan Mobley. So, this is our 4th pack. We got Rudy Gobert. Ayo Dosunmu. It's not bad. It's an impact, but it's like hollow of Joshua Primo. Right? Yeah, just Prizm. Alright, it's cool. Clint Capella. He's got PC in his hair. Shake Milton. Derek White. Ennis Freedom. And he changed his last name. Kevin Durant. Please be rookie. Magic. Franz Wagner would be cool. No. RJ Hampton. Well, what can you do about it? So, moving on. 5th pack. We have 1 pack left after this one. So we got Jason Preston. Oh yeah. Amare Stoudemire. USA. Dwayne Wade. Jalen Brunson, pink. Zach LaVine. Josh Christopher. It's alright. Miles Turner. Marvin Bagley. Oh. Man. You know, if that was Scotty Barnes, that would have been cool. But, you know, I liked a little bit, even though he's not that good. I mean, he's 6'7" point guard. He's got potential. So, you know what? I'll take it. Not bad. And plus, it's a rookie. Can't complain about a rookie. So, last pack. Hopefully, we get like an autograph or something. Probably not, but you never know. Got Trey Murphy. Drop that. Jordan Poole. Cameron Thomas, Instant Impact. Obi Toppin. Jane McDaniels. John Wall. Ooh, I like that. Herbert Jones. Pink. Craig Nice. Not bad. Ty Jerome. And Patty Mills, silver. Well, wasn't too bad. As you see, I think these are our best cards here. This John B, but it's like, look at that. That's really off-center, but jersey card is cool. I will take it. And yeah, you know, we got the pinks and you got the silvers. I really wish I was Scotty Barnes. That would have been good. But yeah, that's just about it for the video. So thank you guys for coming back and watching another video if you made it this long. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good night, good day, good evening, whatever you're doing. And yeah, thanks for supporting me. You guys are the best.